Dear students, today's topic is procedure to settle complaint. Procedure in relation to complaint filed with district forum, state forum or national forum explained under section 18. Read with procedure to settle complaint is explained under section 12, 13 and 14 of Consumer Protection Act 1986, where complaint is lodged with national forum, it is explained under section 22. Now I'll explain procedure to settle complaint. Procedure to settle complaint is explained under section 12, 13 and 14 of Consumer Protection Act 1986. Section 12 deals with who can file the complaint. Generally, consumer can file the complaint. First of all, person before filing the complaint must be a consumer. If he or she is not a consumer, then he cannot file a complaint under any forum. So, who can file complaint? Consumer. Number one, consumer association, one or more consumer having common interest, or central or state government can file complaint. Section 13 deals with where to file complaint. Now, a consumer can file complaint with district forum, state forum or national forum depending upon the jurisdiction. We have to decide jurisdiction first. Jurisdiction of two types as already explained, pecuniary and territorial. Next is section 14, how to file complaint. After deciding the jurisdiction, that is district forum, state forum or national forum, he must have to pay fee with vary with rupee 100 to 500. Now, information to be contained in the complaint. First of all, document must mention the name of the complainant and opposite party and where they reside. That is address of the both parties. And next is facts of the complaint. Okay, why the dispute arises. And 5 copies of the complaint are prepared. It is important to mention here that admissibility of the claim is decided by the forum within 21 days of the admission of the complaint, and it is up to the forum to allow to proceed or reject the claim. But it is very important to mention here that no complaint will be rejected without giving opportunity of being heard. Thank you. After reading the manner in which complaint is filed under section 12, section 13 explains the procedure on the admission of the complaint. Procedure on the admission of complaint is explained under 2 sections. Section 13(1) where the complaint is related with goods, and section 13(2) where the complaint is related with services or the goods which cannot be explained in section 13(1). Now we explain the procedure mentioned in section 13. Section 13 is further divided. Section 13A, section 13(1)A. Within 21 days from the admission of the complaint, copy is sent to opposite party to explain his version within 30 days or 15 days extended period as may be granted by the district forum. Where opposite party on the receipt of the complaint denies the allegation, then a dispute arises and the district forum proceed to settle that dispute in the manner mentioned under clause C to clause G of section 13(1). Now we'll explain clause C to clause G in the next lecture.